My honey's genius chicken pen, 8 foot by 8 foot by 5.5 foot tall. Ingenious little nesting areas. And a watering hole, which is a PVC pipe cut in half and nailed with a water warmer in it, keep the water from freezing. And the catwalk. External picture of the catwalk. That's our high-tech hillbilly varmint keeper outer. And this is their condominium. It keeps the wind and rain and hail and varmints from getting them. Also high-tech. And to keep people from coming in, we got a camera on the tree. Catch them in the act of stealing our chickens. Inside, catwalk, and more nesters, and a mirror to reflect the light, and so they can have somebody to talk to and admire themselves for all their beauty.